Sometimes it feels just like you're caught inside a moment. Not really moving, but you're going through the motions. Trying so hard to find the meaning as your days roll by.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a 6-month update in only 6 minutes. Hope you enjoy. God bless you.
Sometimes it feels just like you're caught inside a moment. Not really moving, but you're going through the motions. Trying so hard to find the meaning as your days roll by. I know it sounds impossible, but we're living in a miracle, yeah. The more you look, the more you know that we are not alone. When you see love, leave them on. Healing broken hearts. You see chains fall apart. You see hope rise from the dark. It's so much more than ordinary. It's nothing less than extraordinary, no. It's the fingerprints of God. It's written in the way the stars break up the night. The proof, the clarity that opens up our eyes. It's all around and inside of you and I know it sounds impossible, but it's actually a miracle when you see love. Leave them on. Healing broken hearts. You see chains fall apart. You see hope rise from the dark. It's so much more than ordinary. It's nothing less than extraordinary, no. It's the fingerprints of God. Open your eyes to the signs all around you. Hope is alive and it's living inside you. All creation testifies it. The more you seek, the more you find that love, healing broken hearts. You see chains fall apart. You see hope rise from the dark. It's so much more than ordinary. It's nothing less than extraordinary, no. It's the fingerprints of God. There's no such thing as ordinary. We're nothing less than extraordinary, no. And it's who we are, the fingerprints of God.
I've seen so many miracles, I forgot what the word impossible means. Raise hands to the sky, get your hopes up high, 'cause with God it's a regular thing. I've seen so many plot twists, I've stopped trying to guess how he's gonna move next. Just lean back with the lions, cook out in the fire, I don't have to be so stressed. Anytime it looks too hard, I've learned to lift my eyes to the stars, 'cause the maker of it all, he made my heart, my heart. Oh, I belong to a wonder-working God, making a way like only he could, and all I can say is God is good. Oh, I belong to a wonder-working God, trading my chains for victory. My God is working a wonder in me. I've seen too many comebacks to believe that it's not gonna happen again. Flipping numbers on the scoreboard, listen to the crowd roar, you already know